This is another clue, another important clue. And that's to do with don't try to make perfect decisions. Perfect decisions are a trap. Why would I say such a thing? Because we would think we want our decisions to be perfect, but there's no such a thing. Because there's so many variables when you make a decisions. When you make a decision, a lot of other things go into motion, as I said before, consequences and things that you don't see. So you've got to allow 25% that you consider as a possible error that you make, but you go with the 75%. And going for 75% allows breathing room for the decision. So you make a mistake, but you don't cancel out the whole decision. Because things don't work perfect in anything. We're not perfect people. And to think that we can have perfect decisions is actually foolish. So always go for the 75%. If you go for 100, you're becoming too ambitious, and ambition is blind. People who want things too hard, they blind themselves, and then they only ever get, at best, half of the result of the decision that they made. 75% is a good way to think about it, and you can breathe as you make the decision. It won't be perfect, you're human, but you'll get the majority of it, and you live with the fact that certain things you won't get. And you're human, you're an adult, make space for it. This is a very nice way to think about decision making, and it's useful, and it takes a lot of stress away.